Hi, so this is a birthday unopening. A birthday opening.
Yes.
A birthday present opening. So today is my birthday. I have been very, very, very spoiled already by some amazing people, and I've now got another package from another amazing person. So this is from Anita. And yeah, so I don't know whether I'm going to put these on the YouTubes or whether I'm just going to put them up on Instagram. I don't know yet, because of course editing and stuff. So anyway, thank you. Right, if I am putting this up on YouTube, I should do the intro just in case. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Beyond Authentic, where we go beyond the PR hype to give... No, we go beyond the mundane to tell you all about authentic witchcraft. Or something, I don't know. It'll be on one of the channels. I don't even know if this is getting uploaded, but thank you very much. I don't know whether it's when you posted it, it came with this... Check my address isn't on there. Whether it came with this sort of sticker on that you had to put on there, but yeah. It does say not to be opened until the 9th, so today is the 9th. Oh, there's some wormy things in the top.
Oh.
Put these just to one
That's
side.
some new pets.
Very carefully. All of these like little packing things.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what is in here? What? Hang on. Oh. So there's a little... Oh, what's that? Dry ice. It's quick drying stuff for your nails. Ah! How long does it take me to do mine? That's why I've got... That's literally why I've only got one hand done, because it takes so long, especially with my fibre. I'm like shaking and like really bad. Some quick dry drops. They apparently make you... I'm going to have to look into that. They make your nail varnish dry really fast. Oh, and she sent me a nail varnish.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That is a sexy red.
Never heard of that before.
I haven't heard of that. That's going to be... You know, I'm going to try that out in the video. And then a lovely sexy red colour. Look at that. Sexy nails. Vampy nails.
Yeah, that's
and
your
then
colour.
it is. I love that red, actually. I really do. And then this came out as well. What was this? Oh, is this the thing you got from work? Because Anita did say that there was a thing. Oh, well, look.
It's called Jessica.
Yeah. So this is Pride 2021, and it's kind of got all the trans flag colours and the rainbow colours on a little pin. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's cool.
That's really nice, isn't it?
Yay! Thank you for that. Oh.
Really nice.
Oh, but that. My hands aren't doing great today. And then there's some more wormy things, which leads me to think there's more. There is more stuff in here. Blooming hell, Anita, what have you sent?
I don't expect these. I don't expect these to be very cheap though.
No, not at all. I can't wait to use that.
Drops.
She sent me another one of the Balance Active Formula Vitamin C. I love this. This is a really, really good one that really my skin really loves. You just Anita knows me. Again, she knows all my skincare stuff. And then there's more worms. These wormies are going to go everywhere. Oh, what's this? Oh, hang on. Oh, I didn't realise there's a card. Oh, then there's a
Put
card.
it on there because it's like drops inside. It's
Yeah, so you just paint your nails,
one little drip.
and it will. Oh, I can't wait to try it. You know, I'm going to make a video of that. Yeah. There's a card to Lisa. A little bit bougie, a little bit budget. That is one of my quotes. Oh, look! Oh, that's a champagne cocktail there. And a mojito.
It's nothing like my card,
No. I hope you like the gifts. Your complexion has been looking so good recently. I thought these two should become a regular in your routine. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Oh, thank you, my darling. I know times are tough, but I hope you find a way to make the day special. Thank you for being a good friend. Lots of love, mate. It's that F word. Friend, not fuck. That's what I have trouble with. Oh, for God's sake.
What's that?
She sent me another bottle of the Argoline. This is really good. This is so good. This has been doing such wonders for my forehead. I've literally down to the last dregs. And you know I was about to order another one. Oh my God, thank you so much.
With some makeup things.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Anita. Oh, you really didn't have to, but honestly, it's so appreciated. Thank you very, very, very much. That is That is really lovely of you, and it's really kind. I know, and I'm dying to try this. I don't know.
Proper tight.
Yeah, I don't know kind of like what you do. I'm going to have to do a bit of research.
A dropper thing, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to have to do some research on this. Thank you so much. It's so kind of you.
I said Anita might be able to tell you how to use them.
Yeah, if you've used this, Nate, let me know. I don't know whether to put this on YouTube or not, to be honest. I don't know whether to or not. I might do. I might do. It might all go up on YouTube today or tomorrow or something if I can do a bit of tidying up on it. If it does go up on YouTube, please give this video a thumbs up, because that's just like amazing for Anita, and thank you. So give the video a thumbs up and do the YouTubey things, the subscribey and the, what's the other thing? Hit the bell icon, because YouTube is really screwing around small creators at the moment by unsubscribing people and also tinging the bell. So yeah, so people aren't getting notifications, and that's affecting the live streams as well. But yeah, in fact, I think I might pop this up a little bit later. But anyway, there you go. Look, no makeup on, literally washed, put a bit of flannel and a bit of soap and water on my face. I know that. I know, right? But anyway, thank you so much, Anita. That is so kind of you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, anyway, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. I don't know how to close this because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, thank you very much. Bye. Stay tuned for more videos.
Awkward wave.
Oh yeah, that's right. Awkward wave. Awkward wave. Awkward wave. Birthday wave.
Yeah.